In this video, I will show you how to fix Discord not opening. Now, there's a number of reasons why Discord might not be opening, so there's a couple of fixes that I'm going to go through with you today, which should resolve this problem and allow you to open up Discord. The first fix, when you're on your desktop, is to come down to your taskbar, right click onto an empty space of your taskbar, and then click onto Task Manager. Now, once your Task Manager is opened up, come up to the search box at the top and type Discord. Then what you need to do is click onto Discord, and if it comes up, if it's still running in the background, come up to the top once you've clicked onto it and click to end task. So it's just going to take a second to go through and end task. Then what you can do is close down your task manager, and also you want to come down to the bottom right hand corner, click onto this arrow which says show hidden icons. Make sure Discord is not shown up here so that it's completely closed down and it's not running in the background. Now once that's done, what you can do is double click to relaunch Discord and see if that fixes the problem. If that didn't work for you, the second fix you can try is coming down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In the search box type run and then open up run underneath best match. In the run box that appears in the bottom left hand corner, type app data and then click OK. And in the app data folder that comes up, what you want to do is double click onto the roaming folder, and in here you should see a folder called Discord, and all you want to do is click to select it, come up to the top and click onto delete, or just right click and on this menu you're going to see delete as well. So deleting this, don't worry, it's not got any saved data or anything like that on it, it's just basically temporary files which get reinstalled when you relaunch Discord anyway, but sometimes this can contribute to Discord not opening, so just go ahead and delete that folder. Once that's done, close this down, double click and see if Discord opens successfully. If that didn't work for you and you're still having problems, the final thing I would recommend is a full clean uninstallation and reinstallation of Discord. It could be that due to updates and things like that some of the app files have become damaged or corrupted, in which case a full uninstallation and reinstallation needs to be performed in order to fix that problem. Leave a like if this video did help you out, and feel free to drop a comment below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.